Hi, I'm Sumit Agarwal. I attended CIPR training with Amar Singh. I must say this is a very unique training which focuses on the processes which are required for the right kind of policy formation and team formation at the senior leadership level. I must say this is one of the unique training because this is different from the other technology trainings which are tool specific and technology specific. I'm very thankful to Amar that he brought this training to India, and all the best. Thank you.